So this is it Pansit mga kapuwersa. Welcome back to our channel page. Kung ano-ano pa yan, basta andito kayo ngayon for another video. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung buong adventure or lakad namin papuntang Altamers yung nakaraang birthday ko guys. Ngayon ko lang siya na-edit guys, kaya pasensya na. Medyo busy yung mudra/nurse. Basta ang dami kong ginawa for the past few weeks, kaya yan, ngayon ko lang na-edit. So, yun guys, bago pala kami pumunta ng Altamers, dumaan muna kami dito sa may 7-Eleven para bumili ng mga snacks kasi medyo malayo-layo yung pupuntahan namin guys. Aakyat kami ng bundok, so kailangan namin may pagkain sa sasakyan para naman may makain kami on our way going to Altamers. Pero yan siya guys, konti lang yung binili namin snacks kasi nga awal magdala ng food doon sa Altamers. Kaya bumili lang kami para yung kainin namin sa sasakyan. Yun lang. Pero mind you guys, hindi ka pwedeng magdala ng pagkain kasi may sarili silang restaurant doon kakakain. Kaya yun, kunti lang pinadala. So, pupunta na kami doon guys. We are on our way going up papuntang Altamers. So, aakyat kami ng bundok guys. Sana kayanin ang sasakyan namin. So, andito na kami. Nakarating na kami at saka si Manong Guard. Laking tulong ni Manong Guard. Shout out to you kasi ang bait-bait niya na nag-assist sa amin. Kaya yan. Shout out to you Manong Guard. You're the best. So, nakarating na nga kami guys. At saka ang ganda ng location nila at ang lamig dito. Thank God nakarating kami ng safe. Kaya enjoy the adventure na lang talaga kami ngayon. Let's go! We're here at Altamers, guys. Altamers. Dian, let's go. Where are you going? Fix your hair. Fix your clothes. You're not fixing your clothes.
I don't know what to do.
You don't know what to do? We're here na going up. They did not clean it yet. There are a lot of wow. We're here now. What's that? It's kamaong.
Rhino beetle.
Umang.
Yeah, it's a beetle.
It's a
It's
beetle.
a rhino beetle.
What?
Is it that?
Yes, we're here now,
Is
guys.
it brown?
Tada! Outfit check! Outfit check! Ay, nako. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Going to have lunch. They're still fixing it. Nice the cafe there, oh. This is nice when you're still fixing the entire.
Yes po, ma'am. As of now po.
Pero wala pa ikuan, wala pa overnight dire.
Yala pa mo.
Kana ang overnight supposed.
Yes po. Soon po.
Soon.
Hi.
Okay na. They're still fixing there for overnight pa. Kaya wala pang overnight dito. So dito. Pero asa magkaon? Dire sila.
Dili ang number dira po dito sa cafe.
Okay. Okay. You're here going down. Going to the pool, guys. Wow, nice. This is really nice. Let's go, let's go. Nice mag-ano dito. I think if they fix their overnight mas maganda.
Slowly. Oh, hold that milky. Hold the side.
Watch out, guys. It's nice here though. Pero it's cold. You will swim, Yasin.
Playground.
There's a playground. Bisan ba yan? Look at that.
Wait.
Nah, this is nice.
Oh. Really? Yeah, early. Slowly. Okay, Beth, you're not looking at Daddy, Beth. Slowly. Go to the pool. Go to the playground first.
No playground.
Nag-ulan man gud siguro.
Cold.
It's going down, down. Son,
Wala, ang duya na try. Ano ba, muni-muni ka sa bigyan ka.
kay birthday girl manggot. I'm a birthday girl for today's video. Slowly, ah. Son, no running. Look at that. So nice, guys. I like, and it's so cold here. I forgot my jacket, Dad. Sana nakaano tayo. It's gonna be hot. I forgot my jacket. Gonna be nice. There's a cafe. Dad, yan video me. Mamang Karinas yan silan. May playground dito ng mga bata. Para maaliw naman din, di lang puro sa adults. So, mayroon din silang playground, which is nice. Up, slowly! It's kinda muddy kasi umulan daw kagabi. Sana hindi umulan kagabi, uy. Yan, yan. Mayroon silang ano. Slowly, ah!
Don't step on the mud, huh?
Talaga dali ko na. Madi ba?
Yan na yung buong...
Kami ay na kami, doon na-subscribe.
Pero yun, hindi pa yun parang yan, dyan siya they're still building the overnight accommodations, stuff like that. Pero may cafe sila, may ano sila. Maganda siya. In fairness. Di naman sa Montefrio na overlooking.
Simple ng food. Baka makagtabo.
Wala, kagaya da. Yasi, you will fall there. You're not a
He's not a monkey.
You're not a monkey.
You're not a monkey.
You're not right,
You go, sit down.
The spaceship. Come on. You're not the sun, man. You're right. Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3. Where are you going? To the moon or Mars? Alien
Parang
space.
tayo pa yung first na tao dito.
Dire na puwan. Galing solo.
Actually, we rented the entire place. Joke, kasi tayo pang una dito. We're the first customer, Dad.
300.
Dad, you still have to pay for the pool. Yasin!
Ay. Loli.
Let's go there to the swing. Swing, swing. Let's go to the swing. There. Yasin, there's a swing here. There's
Excited naman ko dyan.
later.
Let's take a photo.
Let's take a photo.
May event yan pool.
Am I after the heart?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so big.
Nice yung kanilang kay Steel, Itay. Nice yung kanilang kay Steel. They're still building the other villas para sa overnight stay. Kaya hindi pa sila nagpapa-overnight stay kasi nagbi-build pa sila. Ang ganda, in fairness, ganda talaga siya, guys. So, papunta na kami. Papunta na ako ngayon sa cafe. Cafe. Ah? Yeah, did you pay? 4? Including the kids? Ah?
Sila na pa
100? Yeah, your clothes is coming. This is their pool. warming up before swimming. Nag-warm up daw siya bago maligo. Yan, cute-cute niya guys. May pa-warm up pa.
Like this one.
Ganda niya talaga guys, pero hindi muna ako maliligo sa ngayon kasi medyo malamig yung tubig guys, kahit ang init ng panahon, pero ang lamig ng tubig parang hindi pinakaya, pero kinaya ng mga anak ko kaya enjoy na lang mga anak. Napakatahimik dito guys, ang gandang magmuni-muni para mas stress free ka, as in magandang pumunta talaga dito guys, kaya punta na kayo dito, mura lang naman kasi wala pa silang overnight stay, pero mag-enjoy ka talaga guys. Kung gusto mong mawala yung mga stress mo sa buhay, punta na kayo dito sa Altamers Mountain Resort dito sa may Kapatagan, Davao del Sur.
What's up vlog ni Tita? Hey guys, we're here at Altamers. See the view. Ta-da! It's so pretty. Just like me. Mom will swim with you.
So yan guys, nag-decide na ako maligo para ma-experience ko naman yung lamig ng tubig. Kaya yan, medyo maliligo na tayo guys. Kahit malamig, pero kakayanan natin para sa for the sake of adventure and for the sake of vlog next.
It's almost my birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday!
So yun guys, andito na kami sa restaurant nila at kakain na kami ng lunch kasi medyo nagutom kami kakaligo. So yan, mag-order na si Daddy for my birthday. At saka may libre silang cake guys. I'm so touched kasi ginawa nila ako ng liit na cake para sa birthday ko, diba? Ang sweet naman ng mga staff dito sa Altamers. Thank you guys for accommodating us so well. Babalik kami talaga dito pag may overnight stay na kayo.
The kids, kung paano gani? Crispy chicken. Let me borrow this. Grilled chicken na lang sa kanila, Dad. Grilled chicken quesadilla.
Quesadilla, that's like pizza.
Huh? It's like
I like chicken joy.
Fried chicken pizza.
I love yummy strawberry. Why am I strawberry? Hello, strawberry. Why don't you have chicken joy instead?
What?
yun yung sa akin.
Ikaw,
egg.
It's a milk cake.
For me is ano yung kanila niya?
Ayan.
Butter
We're gonna
chicken.
wait for it.
Butter chicken dalit kanila. And rice. For me, it's ano, pompano.
Hooray for mother. And hooray
Yeah,
for your
pompano.
sister. Hooray for
Pompano,
them.
Crispy pompano. And butter chicken. Pero ang hearty kare-kare. Ang kare-kare ninyo, halal na?
Is it cake?
Yeah.
Mommy, there's a strawberry on the top.
Yeah. You wanna eat it?
I want to eat the strawberry. I want to eat the strawberry. Please, I can look
Strawberry. Oh, butter chicken in a basket. Kuya, wait.
Hey, can I borrow it, please? Let me see if there's a...
Ilang ka rice po? Dakon yung rice.
Let me see if there's strawberry.
Half. Wait, wait. 4. Pag mo, ano na lang, dugong na lang BFF.
Mind you you guys, nag-enjoy na kayo dito at saka ang sarap din ng food nila guys, kaya uulit-ulitin ko talaga pumunta dito. Kung gusto kong mag-unwind, mawala yung mga problema, pupunta talaga kami dito guys, promise. And thank you Altamers for accommodating us. Ang galing ng mga staff nila dito guys, ang babait at saka very accommodating, kaya yan, babalik talaga yung mga customers nyo dyan guys. Yan, kain na tayo guys kasi it's my birthday.
Eating by the mountain. Okay.
So we really enjoyed our adventure sa Altamers Mountain Resort guys. So ayan, pauwi na kami at thank you talaga sa mga staff ng Altamers. Nag-enjoy talaga kami. And yan guys, thank you, sinamahan nyo kami sa aming adventure. Tsaka kung nakikita nyo, pagod na pagod yung kambal, nakatulong na sa sasakyan. Hindi na nila kinaya kasi buong araw silang naligo sa Altamers. Kawawa naman. And that's it for today's vlog guys. I hope you like it. And sana maka-visit din kayo sa Altamers guys. Ang ganda talaga doon. Till next vlog. See you. Bye!
What did this one dream?
What did you dream? All inside the room? I still sleep.